Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on chat notifications in Pinterest with the latest update. If you want to make sure you never miss a message from your friends or collaborators on Pinterest, this quick guide will help you get those notifications set up in no time. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, look down at the bottom of the screen and tap the inbox icon. This is where all your messages and chats are stored, so it's the place to start. Next, select any chat from your list. It can be a conversation you've already started or a new message you want to keep track of. Once you're inside the chat, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the three dots. This will open a menu with several options related to that conversation. From the menu, tap on Notification. This setting controls how you receive alerts for messages in this particular chat. To make sure you get notified every time someone sends you a message, choose the option labeled Always On. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll have chat notifications enabled for your Pinterest conversations. This way, you won't miss any important updates or messages, keeping you connected and engaged with your Pinterest community. Remember, staying on top of your messages can help you collaborate better, discover new ideas, and keep your Pinterest experience smooth and enjoyable. So take a moment to set your notifications to Always On and enjoy seamless communication. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to make the most out of Pinterest. Happy pinning!